Harness your hopes on just one person, you know, because a harness was only made for one. Don't telegraph your passes, you'll end up with molasses, a cauterizing syrup, and syrup's not molasses. And I'm checking out the axes that attract us to anything that moves. We're deep inside the groove, and it's time to shake the rations, 'cause someone's gonna cash in. The movie starts at 10, the plot it never ends. Well, show me a word that rhymes with pavements, and I will kill your parents and roast them on a spit. And don't you try to etch it or permanently sketch it, or you're gonna catch a bad, bad cold. 'Cause the freaks have stormed the White House, I live inside a lighthouse. It's on a scenic quay, it's so, so far away from the beginning. The shroud is made of linen, the goth kid has a hearse, the filly lost a purse. None is to church as the parrot is to perch, and my heart's wide open true. Leisure, a leisure suit is nothing, it's nothing to be proud of in this late century. And I'm asking you to hold me just like a mortar paper, pinch between your pointer, your index and your thumb. It's a semi-automatic, believers are ecstatic. You see the way they cling, the cold metallic sting. And I'm living in a coma for Donna Deverona, the harness made of hopes, the lovers on the ropes. Earth shaking, rattlesnake and kiwis are a home baking. My